Have you ever found a small coin and wondered where it came from and what story it carries? Today, we are looking at a real circulating coin from Canada, and in this video there is no hiding, no fake hype, and no false million-dollar claims. Everything you hear is honest and clear. This coin is the 1999 Canadian 10-cent coin, commonly known as the Bluenose dime. This coin was issued in Canada in the year 1999 and was made for everyday use. It was not created as a commemorative or limited edition piece. Millions of these coins were produced and circulated across the country. People used them in daily transactions, in shops, buses, and vending machines. Even though it is a common coin, it still represents an important part of Canadian history and identity. On one side of the coin, we see a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. She was the Queen of Canada at that time and remained the head of state for many years. Around her portrait, the inscription reads Elizabeth II, DG Regina. This is a Latin phrase that means Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. There is no hidden meaning here. This inscription simply reflects Canada's constitutional monarchy and its historical connection to the British Crown. The portrait shows the Queen at a mature age, symbolizing stability, experience, and continuity. When we turn the coin over, we see the famous Bluenose ship. This design is one of the most iconic images in Canadian coin history. The Bluenose was a real ship, launched in 1921 in Nova Scotia. It was both a fishing vessel and a racing schooner. The ship became internationally famous after winning many sailing races and earned the title Queen of the North Atlantic. Because of its success and national importance, the Bluenose was chosen as the design for Canada's 10-cent coin in 1937. This same design continued for decades and became a strong symbol of Canadian maritime heritage. Above the ship, the word Canada is clearly written. Below the ship, the value 10 cents is shown, along with the year 1999. Everything on this coin is simple and easy to read. There are no secret symbols and no hidden marks. The 1999 Canadian 10-cent coin is made of nickel-plated steel. It weighs about 1.75 grams and has a diameter of approximately 18 millimeters. It is small, lightweight, and designed for circulation, not for display or investment purposes. Now let's talk honestly about value. This coin is not rare. It is not worth thousands, and it is definitely not worth millions. Because millions were made, the value remains low. In circulated condition, meaning the coin has scratches, wear, or damage, it is usually worth between 10 cents and 50 cents in US dollars. If the coin is in uncirculated or near mint condition, it may sell for around 1 to 2 US dollars. If the coin is heavily worn or damaged, its value is usually only its face value. So if you see online videos or posts claiming that this coin is worth millions of dollars, that information is false. There is no hiding here. The truth is simple and clear. Even though this coin does not have a high price, it still has historical and educational value. It represents Canada's maritime legacy, its connection to the monarchy, and a classic coin design that has survived for generations. For beginner coin collectors, this is a good example of how common coins can still tell important stories. If you find this coin, do not clean it harshly, as cleaning can reduce collector interest. Store it safely and appreciate it for what it is, a small piece of Canadian history. This 1999 Canadian 10-cent coin proves that not every historic coin needs to be expensive to be meaningful. Sometimes, the real value is in the story, not the price. If you enjoy learning about old and foreign coins, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because every coin has a story, and some of the smallest coins carry the biggest history.